Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Roshan. So let's see what happened today first, and then we'll see what can happen tomorrow. Okay. So first of all, I said yesterday that this gap will work as a resistance. You can see 262, little bit lower, 244, 244. Yeah, precisely 240 was the level which would have acted as a good resistance, and you can see the market reversed from 231 and it made a low of 0.67. So that's a huge fall we expected. See, the market moved for almost 4 days from 633 odd levels to 180 odd levels yesterday. So it was a clear indication, just like I said before, that if market moves upside, then profit booking comes. Once, twice a bit, and then thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. I clearly said this strategy yesterday and it worked. Okay, so now for tomorrow, see this candle's high, this particular candle's high, which is around 36, will act as a good support area, and if that gets broken, then we might be going towards 950 as well. I mean, then it will easily break 11,000 level. But if these levels work as a support, then we might see some upside movement as well, because it's just a profit booking. It might continue for tomorrow as well, most probably. But if the global market supports, then we might see that it will take support here and then it might start moving upside as well. So keep that in mind, traders. 11,030 to 50 will act as a good support area for us. We are around 100 points above that, so our support is below 100 points and resistance is just above 100 points. So we are in a good range and we would be able to make good trades tomorrow. Okay, so that's Nifty. Let's check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I said clearly that 23,000 will act as a good resistance. You can see here I clearly said that it will act as a good resistance. Market opened around 23,180, 200 levels, and then it started falling, and it kept on falling till 650, and then it reversed, and then it closed at 890 odd levels. Okay, 882 precisely. So for tomorrow, this level 580 will act as a good support. If it gets broken, then we are going towards 400, or maybe more slide can be seen. It will depend upon how ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank performs mainly. So keep an eye on those two stocks. They will be the market movers for tomorrow. So that's about Bank Nifty. If it goes up, then it has to hold 23,000. If it will hold 23,000, then only it can go upside. So let's see what happens tomorrow or on Friday. Let's check some more stocks. First we will check HDFC Bank. Traders, I clearly said that this is getting rejected around 1160, 1150 odd levels, so we might see some more correction, and it has shown some correction, but you can see it has taken support of 200 DMA today. It took support around 1118 and then it went up to 26, so this will act as a good support area. If it gets broken, then we might see a sharp fall in Bank Nifty as well, and this stock might fall up to 1100 as well. So this will be a key range for HDFC Bank, key level for HDFC Bank. If above this, then it might show some upside. If below this, then it might slide towards 1100 levels. Let's check some of more stocks, and then I'll share some more tricks as well. Yeah, ICICI Bank first. So ICICI Bank, yesterday I said that 392 odd levels will act as a hurdle, and you can see it has acted as a hurdle, and then market, I mean ICICI Bank, moved down from that level to 375 odd levels, but closed at a good level, 380. So tomorrow it is also a good stock to trade on both sides. If it breaks 380 375 easily, then it is going to fill this gap tomorrow itself. If it doesn't, and if it holds 380, then it might show some more pullback on upside, because a breakout is pending in this stock. So I will wait for that breakout, and I won't miss that entry this time. Okay, so let's check some more stocks. Maruti, it was about to give a breakout, but I said that 6200 odd levels will act as a good resistance, and you can see this stock has fallen from 6100 odd levels. And today I found one interesting thing, so I'll share that with you guys. I shared one trade on this. See, I shared a trade on this, and I said buy C at around these levels. I asked for an entry in 6100C, which was trading at 150, and then said that 175, which would have came around these levels, and then these levels were my target, but it went up to 125 and then it stopped there. So I said either book or close the trade at 190. So we got around 40 points in this. For tomorrow, I would say this area will act as a good resistance, 6023.25, and if it breaks this, then we might see some more upside towards 6087 and 6100 as well. If it doesn't, then we might retest 5950. So we are going to get good points here, so trade carefully. I'll try to catch the moves, and then I'll update the Telegram channel. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my views, then please subscribe as well. Thank you.